What you talking about? Is Jaden Place?
Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now Vybz Kartel say him no. You'd have some people who did want to see him lose him life behind the bars. You see I wrote him there. Him address the fans and him address the haters at the same time. Of course, I'm going to hear Vybz Kartel have to say after an historic moment on the YouTube platform. Almost 2 million in 2 days. I'm going to say what I go and do contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
Haters choking on the parents. Yeah, remember when you say Kartel for dead at prison? They wrote me there. Millions them triple up and focal up already. Yeah, Gaza Nation. They are going all the vibes in my hotel suite, you know? Yeah, man. Big up to the nation. You know, we're trending #1. As usual from the comet return. Don't know. Remember when I say bad mind, as a nation, we have one opinion, though. Yeah, man, when I need for them. Big up myself and big up nation and big up to them. So I say, yeah, man.
Now, of course, it was a long battle for freedom. Some people say you have some people within the judicial system who would have tried to go out of them way to keep Vybz Kartel behind the bars. Vybz Kartel himself said the people that want to like him, they don't want to see him perish and lose him life while in the behind the bars without any possibility or hope for freedom. Well, the opposite has happened. Vybz Kartel has returned. Vybz Kartel has been released. And for local Jamaican artists on the Jamaican island, have one of the slated biggest shows for the dancehall year. Some people are calling it a historic moment in a dancehall history. Some people say the ticket sales reflect that. People also say with the new music video we drop, it defied the odds. Most people that already know say of course it would be #1 trending. People that already know say it will go stream in the millions. But the time frame, Vybz Kartel come like man Usain Bolt in the dancehall music. Meaning say him continue to set new records. The amount of organic views. Now the time frame shows the fan base that Vybz Kartel has gained even while behind the bars. You don't believe say in this day and age you have more fans for Vybz Kartel than before him go behind the bars. At 13 years with Vybz Kartel they behind the bars. You have more young Jamaicans who became adults. More people across the world who start to listen to dancehall music. And anyway you go in the world right now where there are fans of dancehall music, there are fans of Vybz Kartel. There might be fans of other artists as well. As I say, there are fans of dancehall music. But Vybz Kartel's global reach, the global impact in music, it speaks for itself. You don't need we for review or talk about the song. You can see it for yourself. Almost 2 million views. How much artists can say that? We see artists trend recently for days without getting 1 million views. We see them trend and only trend locally. Even though some of these artists reside overseas. We see Vybz Kartel do it. And now trend locally alone. As I say, in all countries where you have fans of dancehall music, Caribbean people, Vybz Kartel music are trend over there. Whether that be Canada, North America, England, any country in Europe you want to think of, you name the places. We're glad to do a video just about the different places where the song are trend. But we don't choose to do that. Choose to talk about Vybz Kartel address. As a matter of fact, big up the fans. I never say, speaking of fans, where dancehall music is concerned, for only one artist I can see, or I can say have a solid and sound fan base. You have artists before who have a strong fan base. You have artists who people like their music, support their music, Are they loyal fans? Who wouldn't know? We see Vybz Kartel go behind the bars over 13 years and the fan base increase. For some artists, them they are road and over time, we see people don't really have checked for their music that much. People are look for the new thing, the next new artist. What some artists fail to understand is that them don't necessarily have a fan base. What them have is younger generation or younger fans of dancehall music who are listening to the new hip hot thing right now. So if your song get plays on the streets right now, you know, your antics are get viewed by the media, you have a buzz, you have a popularity, small scope of fame. You might misinterpret that as having a fan base. Just like how you will see people go live and you have a whole lot of people that watch them. For the entertainment value, that means that them are supporters of them. Them actually look for them downfall and I wonder if them go see it while the person I do them video live. I same thing in the music. People look on some artists because everybody else look on them, so they must say, I really try to see how way people see in the artist. And after a time, some people can't see it for themselves. And then now, them just keep looking or listening to the music just to listen and look, see. A new music video get uploaded. People just look on it. That doesn't mean to them like the song. Vybz Kartel music is different. We have seen people use that tactic and we see how far it can go. In a dancehall music, it even really goes so far. Because dancehall is a fast-paced music genre. You might record a song today. Dancehall have a thing we call juggling rhythm. Multiple artists on the same rhythm. So you might have a hot song on the rhythm today and it get mixed and mastered and put out there on the radio waves. And you know what I mean, the earwaves, and it do good. People are play it, people are stream it. And then the next artist's theme song get mixed and mastered. And people are listening to that now. Not saying them stop listening to Urine, but them are listening to it less. And that is how dancehall music is. So for many artists, the amount of time that them have to be a popular artist or to gain a strong fan base, you have to do it relatively quickly. Because most artists don't really put out music of substance. Just songs that sound catchy and entertaining for the moment. And a song where you can listen back 4 years from now and hold no vibes. And a few artists have songs like that, and out of them few artists they have even fewer of them songs there. Especially if them are popular and mainstream artists. So people as a Vybz Kartel bring back lyrics in the dancehall music. Tell me if you agree. I bring back music with substance. Yeah, the song's still catchy. You can readily sing it back. But at the same time, you can reflect and look into it and realize them talk about things that actually happen. The mutant not talk about nothing. And then them do a talk about something that must crime and violence. I don't go to them can talk about crime and violence alone. The music to elevate and motivate. If you even say I try to create a better Jamaica, I want just music if you can uplift. I also say uplifting music. Some people feel like a meditation music. It was me like music when not telling nothing negative. Music where you can just want a vibe to, you can play it around anybody. But and every type of music for every artist. So we can't tell gospel artists that they have to make hardcore dancehall song. Likewise, we can't tell a hardcore dancehall artist say, well, we don't have no good gospel lyrics. So music will be music. But the fans are going to speak for themselves. And what we say is, the fans them must say, Vybz Kartel music. Right, them choose. Vybz Kartel, I thank the fans. You know what I mean? Talk to me in the comment section and me think. If you're new to the channel, subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. And until the reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.